Hi everyone, I'm Scott Winard and welcome back to Let's Do Bonsai. This is just a video just to say thank you to everybody out there that has watched my videos and continued to watch and subscribed. Amazingly, I can't believe I've got 550 subscribers. It was absolutely crazy, especially over the holiday period. I think a lot of people must have got some bonsai type kits for Christmas and wanted to have a look to see how people did it and maybe come across my channel, and I'm glad you did. You know, it's good to have you on board. And a bit back I did say if ever we made it to 500 I'd probably do some sort of giveaway, etc., because obviously this bonsai kit I've now had, this is the third one. It was this kit that I did initially, which then set me on to thinking, well, I wonder how the kits would perform, so I bought another one to be able to do on a video, and I must have duplicated the order because we ended up with an extra one. But we've got quite a few other little kits. We got two bonsai kits, this one that was duplicated and this one that I didn't have time to do the first video for. So basically I'm going to look to try and, you know, pass it on to somebody who might have a bit of time to be able to see whether it's any good. Obviously keep me informed. But basically, massive thank you to everybody. I can't believe 550. It's beyond my wildest dreams. 5 maybe, but not 550. You know, it's absolutely blown me away that people have bothered to subscribe. So what we'll do is, there is a website for Let's Do Bonsai, so I'll put that in the link below. There's an email for Let's Do Bonsai, I'll put that in the link below. And also obviously there's this video. So if you comment on this video, I'll use those comments for your connections to put you into some sort of raffle of some description. However we do that, I don't know as yet. But if you'd like to send an email to the email address, we can put you into the draw for it there as well. And you know, you can just contact in any sort of way as you feel works for you. And then we'll have a draw on the people that have subscribed and sent a message or posted below. Now, I'm not a big one for telling people to subscribe, but I want to award the people that have actually subscribed to the channel. So it will be somebody who's actually subscribed. I'm not telling you to subscribe. It's not my way at all. I appreciate everybody that has. So yeah, if you comment below, visit the website. It's kind of only just been opened up. It's under a bit of construction, but you can go on there. There's nothing really there at the moment. It's something I'm going to slowly put together, so any ideas will be greatly appreciated. Anything that you think we should have on there, little bits of chat areas or news areas or things like that, talking about the bonsai community, bringing things together, talking about other bonsai people, proper bonsai people, the professionals, the guys that are absolutely fantastic at this sort of thing. You know, we can put that onto the website. But for the purposes of this, we've got these that are available to be given away. Now, these are only kits, they're not bonsai kits, I know that. Cactus and chilies, and I ended up with them and I was going to do them, but I'd rather give them to somebody who would have the time to do something with. So yeah, if you comment below, send me an email, give me some ideas for the website of anything that you think we could be doing. We'll do a draw, and what I'll try and do is the draw order that it comes out in, we'll let, you know, first, second, third, fourth, etc. have the option of which one they want. I don't want to label them as first, second, third and fourth place prizes, fifth place prizes. That's not really, you know, it's not for me to rate them as to how good or indifferent they are. So we'll do it that way. And then anybody who would like a jade cutting, I've got so many jade cuttings, it's unbelievable, and I've managed to keep them all alive and going. Anybody that doesn't get one of these. If you want a jade cutting, please mention and say so, and I will try and send out as many of those as I can possibly. You know, I've got quite a lot to go out. If 50 people want a jade cutting, I've probably got enough for 50 people to have it. It'll all be in the postage of it. So there you go. Right, I've bored you enough. I've harped on for far too long. Thank you very much. 550 subscribers. It's unbelievable. We'll do a draw for these if you're interested and if you want them. So comment below, send an email, use the links that I'm going to put in below, and we'll see you soon.